Hi everybody. Okay, now I just bought this HD DVB-T box, which is for Malaysian. Now we are using this, and I bought this very cheap, only 40, if I'm not mistaken, 44 ringgit. If from China, I bought it at Shopee, and if you buy, if you find it in Malaysia, the seller, it will cost you like 69 ringgit 90 cent, about 70 ringgit, so about 30 ringgit difference. And okay, DVB-T T2 terrestrial, IPTV, so sorry about my skin. DVB-T to HDMI, PVR ready, USB 2.0. Okay, so this is it's coming, the box coming with this RCA wire, and also the power supply. And okay, so this is the definition of the box. High definition digital terrestrial receiver, support reception of DVB-T2 and DVB-TTH to 6. I don't know what is that. Super for watching high definition. Okay, full HD. And then possibility to TV record, USB device. Okay. Watching movies, various formats. Okay. Means that you can plug on USB and then you can watch videos. And then viewing picture is same, and connecting external hard drive, HDD, same thing. Multilingual menu, yeah. HDMI, connector possibility to air supply, 5 volt. Okay, done. Okay, so this is the unboxing. Let's see. Ta-da! Okay, this RCA. Is it called RCA? If I'm not mistaken. Which is, it's not full HD, it will be in standard definition, 640 resolution. And then okay, let's put it aside. The power supply, it shows output 5 volt 2000 mAh, input okay, power adapter. Okay, then this is the remote control. Language, go to menu, favorite, TV, radio, PVR, view aspect, timer, time shift. Okay, display and not, also not. And this is the box, DVB-T box. So it's like this. DVB-T2 here, power, menu, and then channel up, channel up, channel down, Wi-Fi, YouTube, which is the one I bought is the cheapest one, which is it doesn't come with a Wi-Fi adapter. And that's the USB and RF in, which is the aerial, RF out, HD, I don't know what is the RF out for what, HD out, which in my case I'm gonna use HDMI. HDMI is not included, but I will use mine. And this is for this. Okay, and this is the for this. Okay, and the last thing is the menu, user manual, and user manual in English, and also what is this? Is it Russian? But I'm not sure. I think so. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing of DVB-T T2. Dah.